Imagine you on a magical journey. Buckle up because we are about to explore one of the most mind-blowing theories about the start of our universe, the Ekpyrotic Universe Theory. What is the Ekpyrotic Universe Theory? A long time ago, scientists thought that the universe started with a big bang and that's it. But some clever people began to wonder, what if there's more to the story? They started to think about how the universe could have started before the Big Bang. That's when the Ekpyrotic Universe Theory came into play. The Ekpyrotic Theory, a collision of branes. The Ekpyrotic Universe Theory suggests that our universe is like a tiny bubble in a vast ocean. This ocean is made up of many other bubbles, each containing its own universe. These bubbles are called branes. The Ekpyrotic theory says that our universe was created when two of these branes collided. Imagine two giant sheets of paper, like the kind you use for drawing. These sheets are so thin that you can't see them, but they are incredibly strong. They are like the walls of our universe, and they are floating in this vast ocean. When these two sheets collide, they create a massive shock wave that tears open a hole in space and time. This hole is like a cosmic doorway that lets our universe burst forth into existence. The collision, a moment of creation. The collision between the two branes is thought to have happened around 8 billion years ago. It was a moment of pure energy, a cosmic explosion that set our universe in motion. As the branes collided, they released an enormous amount of energy that spread out in all directions, creating the universe we see today. The expansion, a rapid growth. The universe started to expand rapidly like a balloon inflating. This expansion was so fast that it's hard to imagine. Imagine a balloon growing from a tiny dot to a massive sphere in just a few seconds. That's what happened in the first fraction of a second after the collision, the cooling. A gradual change. As the universe expanded, it began to cool down. The energy released by the collision started to dissipate and the universe began to take shape. The first particles, like electrons and protons, started to form. These particles eventually came together to create atoms, and then the first stars and galaxies began to shine. The present, a universe in motion. Today, our universe is still expanding, but at a much slower pace. The galaxies are moving away from each other, and the universe is still growing. We can see the evidence of the Ekpyrotic theory in the way the universe is structured. The galaxies are distributed in a web-like pattern with vast empty spaces between them. Conclusion: a theory of creation. The Ekpyrotic Universe Theory is a mind-bending idea that challenges our understanding of the universe. It suggests that our universe is just one of many bubbles in a vast ocean and that it was created by a collision between two branes. While this theory is still just a theory, it's an exciting idea that inspires us to keep exploring and learning about the mysteries of the universe. The word ekpyrotic comes from the Greek word ekpyrosis, which means conflagration, or great fire. The Ekpyrotic Universe Theory was first proposed by scientists Paul Steinhardt and Neil Turok in 2006. If the Ekpyrotic Theory is correct, it would mean that our universe is not unique and that there are many other universes out there. What do you think? Do you have any questions about the Ekpyrotic Universe Theory? Share your thoughts and let's keep exploring the mysteries of the universe together.